Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are studying. आजको यो भिडियोमा मैले ब्याङ्किङ रिलेटेड अब्जेक्टिभ क्वेसनहरू लिएर आएको छु हैन 50 वटा जुन चाहिँ हामीले अलरेडी सुनिसकेका र पढिसकेका क्वेसनहरू छन् हैन बेसिकली चाहिँ सो रिभिजन इज भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट सो जस्ट फर द रिभिजन पर्पस मैले चाहिँ यो भिडियोहरू चाहिँ अपलोड गरिरहेको छु एन्ड सो या मैले स्टार्ट गरेँ है त Tejrat Adda was established on 1877 AD, 1934 BS ma. Who was the prime minister when Tejrat Adda established? Ranodip Singh. When was Nepal Bank Limited established? 1997 Kartik 30. Nepal Bank Limited was established with the corporations of Imperial Bank of India. First commercial bank in Nepal is Nepal Bank Limited. Next questions. Before establishment of NRB, functions of central bank was performed by Nepal Bank Limited. 7. NRB was established on 26th April 1956 and Nepali date 2013 114. Rashtriya Banijya Bank was established on 23rd January 1966, Nepali date 2022 10 महिना 10 गते. At the establishment time, authorized capital of NRB was 10 million. The vision of Nepal Rastra Bank is a modern, dynamic, credible and effective central bank. The statutory liquidity ratio of A-class commercial bank is 10%. The statutory liquidity ratio for Class B Development Bank is 8%. The statutory liquidity ratio for Class C Finance Company is 7%. The chairman of NRB board is governor of NRB. The tenure of NRB board is 5 years. Nepal Rastra Bank began to issue notes since Falgun 7, 2016 BS. The first paper note issuing country in the world is China. How many deputy governors are there at NRB? 2. Nepal Arab Bank was established with the partnership of Emirates Bank International Limited. And Nepal Arab Bank was established on July 7, 1984 AD and Nepal date 2041 324. The first governor of Nepal Rastra Bank is Himalayan shamser. Which of the following is the regulatory of money market Nepal Rastra Bank? Bank rate is the rate at which central bank lends to bank. Nepal Rastra Bank increases CRR credit cash reserve ratio in order to reduce money supply. Which of the following is not the action of central bank to control the inflation? Sale of government securities. Increasing CRR is supported by contractionary monetary policy. Nepal Rastra Bank decreases CRR cash reserve ratio in order to increase the money supply. Decreasing CRR is supported by expansionary monetary policy. Who formulates fiscal policy in Nepal? Minister of Finance. Cheap money policy is generally adopted during recession. Dear money policy is generally adopted during inflation. The full form of IMF is International Monetary Fund. The headquarters of IMF is in Washington, D.C. When did Nepal become membership of IMF? 16 September 1961 AD. The largest international financial organization is World Bank. World Bank was established on 27th December 1945 AD. IBRD refers to International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Budget was presented for the first time in Nepal in 21st March 2008 BS. When Nepal did started programming budgeting 2026 BS. Dot refers to the phenomenon in the value of money increases with the price of goods decreases. Deflation. Plant development started Nepal at the time of Tanka Prasad Acharya. NRB issued polymer note of Rs10 for the first time in Nepal in 14th of Ashwin 2059. The multinational organizations which had financed the restructuring NBL and RBB is World Bank. Nepal Rastra Bank has been publicly announcing its monetary policy since 2015 BS. In Nepal, lender of last resort was enacted in 2067 BS. Arias 20 paper currency was introduced for the first time by NRB on 22 Kartik 2039 BS, which is a valid document available to the bank customer's identification, voter's ID card, full form of CRR cash reserve ratio. The bank which pay the merchant for the transactions is called as a acquirer bank, which is not the component of money market instrument common stock. So that's all for today's video होइन. सो यसमा चाहिँ मैले बेसिक अब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड क्वेसनहरू मात्र राखेको थिएँ होइन. सो यसको पार्ट 2 पनि छिटै आउँदैछ. सो स्टे ट्युन. थ्याङ्क्स फर वाचिङ.